What are you doing, bro?
Nothing, I was just doing some research about water.
Oh, great, are you done with that?
Yeah, I'm done. I was just going through it.
Oh, great, so now can you tell me and others what have you researched?
Okay, why not? Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what I have found while I was researching about water. I have found a lots of things about water. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to tell you about problem occur due to overflowing of water. Are the most frequent type of natural disaster and occur when an overflow of water submerge land that is usually dry. Floods are often caused by heavy rains, rapid snowmelt, or a storm surge from a tropical cyclone or tsunami in coastal areas. Okay, now I will tell you about how water crisis is being managed. Installing special tanks that stores rainwater for irrigation, using drip irrigation for more efficient watering, establishing schools for farmers where they learn how to adapt to climate change with through resident crops, crop rotation and sustainable way to raise livestock. How much water is available for human use? The earth might seems like it has abundant water, but in fact less than 1% is available for human use. The rest is either salt water found in oceans, fresh water frozen in the polar ice caps, or too inaccessible for practical usage. Due to global warming, how the water level is increased, and according to scientists, there will be no ice on Earth in 2059. So we, the young generation, has to prevent. Global warming is causing global mean sea level to rise in two ways. First, glaciers and ice sheets worldwide are melting and adding water to the ocean. Second, the volume of the ocean is expanding as the water warms. The shift of liquid water from lands to ocean is largely due to groundwater pumping.
Abe, I think you forgot some things.
No, I don't think.
Are you sure?
Oh, sorry. I forgot to tell you about some interesting fact that are really amazing. So come with me. I'll tell you. Do you know? There is a country that drinks salty ocean water. Who does that? That is the Emirate, one of the driest country in the world. Here is the salty, undrinkable ocean water. That's why they desalinate it by putting water through a filter to turn it salty to fresh water. And it even get crazier because they need water. They send planes to the skies to release salt and make the cloud bigger to create more rain. Then all they have to do is catch the rain in these huge dams and enjoy the fresh water. This country is doing so much crazy expensive things. So just to get water, in that case, the least we can do is save water, but we can when we can. Do you know we killed the ocean? This is the most beautiful ocean ever. It's blue, it's refreshing, it's beautiful. But what if I told you that this ocean is dying? Yes, if you go inside the water, you'll see coral reefs that are dead. Dead coral mean dead oceans. That's why this group of people in this Seychelles island step in to help. They made a program to allow you, me, or anyone to adopt coral. The process is simple. You pick the coral from the kiosk and pay a small donation. They take it and give you a certificate of adoption. Your coral will grow to replace the dead ones and make the fish and ocean more alive. If millions of people do their small part it to help revive the ocean, then maybe, just maybe, the ocean won't die after all. I think if Mr. Beast got to know about this, he may grow 1 million coral. Just kidding.
We both wanted to thank you for watching till now. Thank you.